Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to Sileo in another episode. This vlog is late because I just got back. This morning while I was doing my groceries, I had no idea about what type of content that I would have delivered tonight. But the thing about living here, there is always something that's gonna catch your eyes. And that's just what happened later on. All I remember is that I was watching on Netflix The Abundance. And then I switched on YouTube and I fell upon this, which led me to discover that Jafar Jackson has a good voice that looked pretty much like the great Michael Jackson. So I opened my phone and I saw that the sneak preview is actually tonight. So in order to booking some seats on the SF app, that's how you do it. Watch this. Y'all can choose where y'all want to sit. And then to pay, y'all gotta enter your credit card information. And there you go. I was on my way to Central Pattaya, but before that I had to take some gas, so I'll let y'all see the prices of today. And then I'm back on the road. So the Lotus Go Fresh that y'all saw me earlier was right there. And then from the Balai Pier, Central Pattaya is right there. I got in. Right now I gotta go to the 6th floor and then I will show my QR code to some device that's gonna open some door for me, and then I'm gonna go to the seat in the room that I ordered online. So we arrived at the waiting room. A lot of things have been improved, like the bowling area. I never actually seen a movie in Central Pattaya, but I did make some vlog about space times over there. So I just finished it. It was amazing. And what I like the most is that the end lets you think about the fact that there will probably be a sequel. I won't spoil the whole thing, but you're gonna pretty much discover the mindset of Michael Jackson, the way that he was a grown man but still thinking like a child. And the sad part is the fact that there was one important family member that was missing in this show to pay tribute to the greatest singer of all time. In Thailand, y'all cannot see any soccer game because when they live, they at 2 a.m. here, which is the hour that normal people sleep. So now it's cool to know that I will be able to see any movie way before everyone else. And by the way, I paid 400 baht for 2 seats, which is like €10.80. So that was it. I hope that y'all appreciate this content just like I did making it. Thank you for watching entirely. Shout out to all of my subscribers for your likes, your comments, and your shares. Have a good one. Peace. I'm out.